Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Once you take it out of the smoker, or the oven, you are going to want to unwrap the brisket and simply let it rest there at room temperature. You should never let the brisket rest for more than 2 hours though, as this will let the internal temperature cool down too much for the meat to be tasty.
Make your mark, take our lead.
A brisket can keep for 8+ hours in a cooler, but I think that long of a rest starts to degrade the quality of the meat. The 2 to 4, or more, hour rest in the cooler gives you a lot of leeway while cooking. This is a very important part of smoking your brisket, and too short of a rest will give you bad results.
Take our lead.
Once the meat hits the final temperature, 205 F or so, you can hold it for hours before serving it, as long as you keep it warm. So, what you want to do is to stretch out the oven portion of the process so that you can go to sleep. I'd do something like this. Smoke the brisket to an internal temperature of 160 F or so.
Let's help you make your mark.
When your beef brisket is cooking too fast, try turning down the temperature on the smoker. 225 degrees Fahrenheit is a good number to aim for. If the meat has already cooked through, remove it from the smoker and hold it in the oven until you're ready to serve it.
Take our lead.
A good rule of thumb is to bring the meat up to an internal temperature of 185 degrees Fahrenheit to 195 degrees Fahrenheit to attain this conversation of tough meat to melt in your mouth deliciousness. The ideal peak internal temperature of brisket should be 205 degrees Fahrenheit to 210 degrees Fahrenheit, since beyond that it will begin to dry out.
Make your mark, take our lead.
If the temperature is too high, the meat will dry out, especially if it's left in there for too long. One issue might be with the smoker itself, or more specifically, the way it's configured. Some grills are equipped with deflector plates, which retain a great deal of heat.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.